Hello and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how you can use the Christmas AI filter app in uh, EPIK app. So let's get started. So here we can see the app. So basically it's editing app. Okay. So you can just open it. That here you can just click on start editing, and from here, so let me show you like Christmas filter. Like for example, I want to add in this. Okay, I will just go there, and from here I will just see for the filters. So you can see the filters, you can see for the creators, and from here you can see many filters. So you can see in here as your shop, click on here and just click on all, and from here you can see the Valentine one. So you have to see for the Christmas one. For example, I am doing like this one. So you can add this filter in your photo or video, and you can use it. So if you find this video helpful, make sure you like, subscribe and share the video. Thank you for watching.